Welcome to my speaking notes. In this video, I want to show you how to find the domain of this given function. Now, a domain is just a set of values for which the function is defined. Because this function has a square root, we want everything that is under the square root to be greater or equal to 0. Because if it is less than 0, to be a complex function, but in this case, our function is defined under the set of real numbers. Now, the first thing is to find the critical values. These are values that makes the denominator and the numerator equal to 0. So we have x as -1 and x as 1. Now, we are going to draw a very simple table of values to find the region for which this function is greater or equal to 0. So we put x plus 1, x minus 1 and find the sign, then combine these signs. So before -1, x plus 1 gives a negative value. And before -1, x minus 1 gives a negative value. And between -1 and 1, we have positive, negative, then this side it is positive. So if we combine all these signs, this is positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, and positive, positive is positive. So we can see that this function is greater than or equal to 0 in this region and in this region. That is from negative infinity to -1 and from positive 1 to positive infinity. Now observe that when x is equal to 1, this function is undefined because the denominator is 0. So meaning that in our interval, we are not going to include positive 1. That is why we have from negative infinity to -1 included, because at -1, this function is 0. Then union 1 not included to positive infinity.